Muthenya wa gatano kiumia kihituku, President William Ruto nianirire MAMINISTA aria amurite ministry-ini itiganite aria macokirio ari Aden Duale ministry-ini ya UGITIRI wa bururi na Soipan Tuya ministry-ini ya maria maturigiciirie. No riu mutongoria wa bururi ni acenjanitie ministry ici, Soipan Tuya agithukirwo ministry ya UGITIRI wa bururi nake Aden Duale ministry-ini ya maria maturigiciirie.
Order. Honorable Rosalinda Soipan Tuya AGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Defense. Honorable Aden Duale AGH, Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry. Order, Order, honorable members, order.
Ndumiriri no ERIKEREIRIO ni SPIKA wa bunge ya bururi WETANGULA GIIKAROINI na AMBUNGE amwe a AMBUNGE KUMA MWENA wa MUNGETHANIRO makienda WETANGULA atherie gitumi kia murugamo wa president gucenjia.
What the president announced is definitely different from what you have read to us. Mr. Speaker, at that point alone, the public will not really have confidence in what we are doing.
What is important is the record that comes to this house. And the record that has arrived in this house is what I have read to you. Remember that nobody will become minister, one, until and unless the president has written to parliament, two, until parliament has sat in committee and vetted, and three, until the whole house has voted on the report.
Ni MOGARURUKU Aden Duale ayukitie kuhitukira nenda-ini ciake cia muingi agitariria wihaririria na wiheani wake ari gutungata ministry-ini ya maria maturigiciirie. Uhiuria mucarisha wa aria anini bunge-ini ya bururi Junet Mohamed uria ningi ni mumemba kamiti-ini ya uthurimi bunge-ini ya bururi ni ahitite gukang'ethanira na MAMINISTA aria mamuritwo hatari kumacairira akihinyiriria akenya ni anogu ni utongoria muru.
If you know you don't qualify, please leave early before you come to this house. This time we will put you in front of Kenyans bare, Mr. Speaker. Bare, naked bare, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Kenyans, I am prepared for the vetting committee to kutana na hiyo watu mundu kumundu.
Ona gukiri uguo kwina uhotekeku wa president gutafania MOGARURUKU makiria ndundu-ini ya minister aria amurite thutha wa WETANGULA kwaga guthoma ritwa ria uria wamuritwo ta munene wa watho na uria hau kabere urari minister wa wonjoria Rebecca Miano. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.